So there are 3 new buttons. Okay, I'm going to delete this complete concepts. Acquire, shine graph, display name. Okay, let's see. We will try to control the output. We will try to control the output. Okay, so okay, for display, control C. I will place here. Now right click here, add event, acquire, sorry, display name. Okay, okay, add event, acquire data. Okay, add event, sign graph. What? Okay, so now these are 3 controllers, and by using these 3 controllers, I want to display whatever I will write. Whatever I will write, okay, it will not, okay, display in my this indicator without my permission. It will not display in this indicator without my permission. Okay, whatever the data will generate, okay, whatever the data will generate, that will not update without my permission. And the sine waveform, okay, and sine waveform which I want to display here, that will be also not display without my permission. So for that, look at here. Okay, so now I will come here, display name. Either if you want, you can keep it inside or you can keep it outside. Doesn't matter. For the better, okay, visual, I will keep inside acquire data. I will right click, random number generator. I will use numeric display. Either I can keep it inside or outside. Okay. I will come here. I will come to the express input. Okay. Acquire signal. So no need waveform graph. We can use the waveform chart also. But for the waveform graph, I will see what can I will use the acquire analog signal, voltage, day 1, AI, differential mode, finite signal, infinite signal also. Okay, continuous signal, 10,000 data with a 10 Hz frequency. Okay, okay. Now last one is stop button. Right click, add event structure, stop button. So now to count, for the count I will use this one. What I want to count? I want to count this one. Okay. So for that I will right click, create variable. Okay. No need to create variable. Let's see only. Okay. Now run. NITESH Nitesh. NITESH Nitesh. Pradhan. It will not display till I will not press it. Okay. When I will click it, it will generate one data. When I will press, it will. Okay. So if it's error something, let's check what kind of error is coming out. Okay. If I will take one for while loop and I will present case inside, so what will happen? Constant. Let's see. Run. Nitesh Pradhan. Okay. When I will press, it will change the name. Okay. But this loop is not running. This loop is running. Okay. Only this loop is running. When I will press the stop button, so I cannot stop this loop. Why? Because this event is running continuously. Okay. So there is another challenge. So let's stop from this platform. Nice. So it is not a recommendation. File. Okay. So if I want to stop this loop, so what can I do? Let's think. We need to stop this button also. And can I right click? No. Yes, I can do, but that is not a good practice. So for that I will go to the stop value. Right click, I will come here to create. I will come to the property node and value. Okay, I will use this value. What will be the value? Create indicator to check. There is nothing. Okay, so it will not work. So for that we need to right click and create what? Stop button. Okay, create one stop button. But I will remove this one. I will right click here. I will come inside. Now I will take the continuous sample. Now I will take one continuous sample. Sorry, fine and sample. 1K and 10K. If I will run, where is my sine graph functions present? Find the terminal. Okay, this is present here. Okay, so now if I will number of sample here change. Okay, I will right click, create control. Okay, change to control. Run. Delhi. Run. If I will change the number of sample 10. Okay, 100. Okay, one sample. If I will give the one sample, so it will not work just because the minimum value. Okay, no problem. 10, 20, 30. Okay, so you can control your action. Okay, please join this program. When you will done, okay, we will use another concept with the same idea.